like this one, it's a different coat. Okay, so we have to take two 2x3, put them right like this. Take this piece, the shaved piece on the top, take it and put it right here. Then take the 2x4 and put it right there. You should have to look like this. Then take this piece, with these pieces with the hole, see what it looks like. You take it and put it on the back. You should have something like this now. And now take the 2x2, put it right here. Then after you take the flat 2x4 and put it on like this. And that's my Lego build. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below. If you want me to make more builds, comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!